What is going on, guys? I am going to show you a great little thing I found at Ace Hardware to help replacing these outlets to grounded outlets. I just moved into a house that is older and has a ton of these non-grounded outlets, so want to get them replaced out, because safety, but also because everything needs a three-prong these days. So I was going to make something like this, and then I found out you could buy it. They sell these in 20 packs at Ace Hardware. Now, they're $1 each. The 20 pack is $20, but the time it saves you, I think, is well worth it. Alright guys, I have tried and tried to get this little ground screw in that came with it, and I actually have done this already, and I did it differently. I did it for speed because I needed to do it for speed back then. I had a little bit more time now, but I'm going to do what I did before, so be right back. Alright, back. Now, I'm doing this to work. So we're grounding these to the inside of the box. They're metal boxes inside. They're not boxes with a ground in them per se, because this house was built in 1957. So the machine screw that came with these pigtails doesn't want to go through those holes. So I just have a self-tapping hex head. Now, it would probably be more ideal to have like a Phillips head, but I have a ton of hex heads around. I like the hex heads, so that's what we're using.
Crazy, do the mumble like a crazy, 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 mumble.